So now let us look another classification of energy. So we have discussed about internal energy and also the macroscopic energy, etc. Now let us look at another classification, another form of classification, that is the static form of energy and the dynamic form of energy. So as the name implies, static means when it is still, energy processed by a system when it is still, when it is not moving, and dynamic form of energy, that means that is in a dynamic nature, it is not still, it is moving. So let us see what all comes under static energy and what all comes under dynamic forms of energy. See, now we are introducing the most important term in thermodynamics, that is heat and work. See, both heat and work are energy, and these are the dynamic forms of energy. Okay, and these static forms of energy includes all stored forms of energy which we have discussed earlier, like the macroscopic kinetic energy, macroscopic potential energy, because all these energies are stored inside the system. Okay, and internal energy, see, internal energy, kinetic energy, potential, these are all stored inside the system. So these are static forms of energy, and these are the dynamic forms of energy, that is heat and work, which we will study in detail, and we need to understand what exactly you mean by heat and work. So let us see the dynamic forms of energy, because static forms of energy we have already seen and discussed in detail. So dynamic forms of energy actually means the energy through which there is energy transfer occurs. Okay, that means whenever there is an energy transfer for one body to another, that is either through heat or work. Okay, let us take a closed system here in which the mass is constant. In a closed system, there is no mass exchange, but there is energy exchange, and this energy exchange can happen only through heat or work. These are the only two methods by which a body can exchange energy with the surroundings.